Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Gigabyte M32U 4K gaming monitor. So friend, the M32U will be a Gigabyte's 5th gaming monitor and second not to carry the Aorus brand. And friend, it designed by it look identical to the M32Q and the specifications are very similar to as both monitors rely on a super speed IP panel that measures 31.5 inch. And friend, the big difference is obviously the resolution. Its resolution is 4K 3840 into 2160 panel, and this time it seems like the backlight has improved slightly as we are looking at HDR 400 certification. And friend, although both models deliver a typical brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square, and friend, on other hand color saturation is quite as good at 90% DCI P3 or 123% sRGB, even though this is an 8-bit plus FRC panel rather than 120Hz for consoles. And friend, the refresh rate is up to 144Hz for PCs and 120Hz for consoles. And friend, with 1 millisecond MPRT response time, inputs consist of two HDMI 2.1 ports, one DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC and USB Type-C port with DP alternate mode. And friend, the display has one USB 3.0 Type B input and three Type A outputs and headphone jack as previous Gigabyte displays. And friend, this one support Kvm Functionality. Finally, we have a pair of built-in 3-volt speaker. And friend, no words on pricing or availability yet. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.